everyone, this is Bree, and today we're going to go through Unit 2 of the Reading Rev Advanced Word Study Program. This is 3+ syllable words. Let's level up our phonics. How many vowels do you see in each word? How many syllables do you hear? Punishment, volcanic, enchanted, sediment, minimum. If you said that you see 3 vowels and you also hear 3 syllables, you are correct. Syllable division gets a little complicated in words with more than 2 syllables. We need to understand syllable stress and morphology to really get the whole picture. So we have 3 patterns or 3 steps in order for us to decode and spell multisyllabic words with more than 3 syllables. Let's tackle each one of these. The first thing to understand is that words are not just phonetic. They're also built with meaningful chunks called morphemes. So if we understand and we can look for these prefixes and suffixes or these word parts, it's going to help us naturally break big words apart. Look at this word. If we first can see that the prefix sub is at the beginning of this word, we can not only quickly decode this word, we also can glean some meaning from it. So, second step, we're going to look for our vowels because every syllable must have a working vowel. So we know this word is going to be 3 syllables. Our first syllable is our prefix. Then we're going to use our syllable surgery or syllable division rules to break up the rest of the word. This word is subcontract. Subcontract. Sub means under. So if you have a subcontract, you have a contract under someone else. Unstressed syllables in English often contain the schwa sound. It's like a muffled or short U or I, like or I. The schwa sound is the most common vowel sound in English. The dictionary will mark the stressed syllables. Notice in this word, we first have the syllable division, and then we have a pronunciation guide. The first little vertical line before the first E is the stress marking. That shows us that this first syllable is stressed. Listen to this word. Evident. We know that first E is the stressed sound, but the second one is the schwa sound. So we have the schwa sound in the second unstressed syllable. Let's decode some words. First step, let's look for prefixes and suffixes. Second step, identify the vowels to determine how many syllables you'll have. Then we're going to divide our word into syllables. This word is sediment. The word is janitor. The word is substitute. The word is pelican. And evident. Now let's spell some 3-syllable words. Take out your syllable scoops page and let's tackle spelling longer words. The word is punishment. The first thing we want to do is identify how many syllables this word has. Punishment. It has 3 syllables. Then we're going to tap out the sounds in each syllable. Pun, p, a, n. Ish, I, sh. Meant, m, e, n, t. The word is punishment. Notice that it has the suffix ment, which changes a verb, like punish, into a noun, punishment. The word is volcanic. How many syllables does volcanic have? Volcanic, 3 syllables. Tap out the sounds in each syllable. Vol, v, a, ol. Can, k, a, n. Ik, ik. The word is volcanic. The suffix ik turns nouns into adjectives. Volcano becomes volcanic. The word is minimum. How many syllables does minimum have? Min-mum, 3 syllables. Tap out the sounds in the first syllable. Min, m-i-n, I. There's that schwa sound represented by an I. Mum, m-a-m, minimum. Let's spend this week tackling 3 or more syllable words.